You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Empower.
So what do they want exactly?
They want to empower women. What?
What? No, I'm sorry.
That won't work.
No, okay, I'm sorry. I understand. Go on.
Listen, they want to get inside women's heads and reach them on a very real level. Now, don't take this the wrong way, but yesterday you got jumpy talking about a lipstick.
I know.
Nike is state-of-the-art, hardcore woman power. You sure you want to go after this one?
You get him here in 2 weeks? I'll be ready.
The ancients have kept the basic truths of your existence from you. They have hoarded their knowledge and been dishonest about everything. Contrary to what they've told you, the Ori most certainly do ascend their followers. And the ancients are the ones sapping energy from humans in this galaxy to empower themselves. That is why they created you. To give them the strength to destroy the Ori, once and for all.
And there's only silence. Yet, could not something pass from this sweet youth to me? Could he not empower me to find in myself the strength, to have the knowledge, to summon up the courage, to accomplish this seemingly insurmountable task of making a city livable?
And so if this is the human race's whole game, you're willing to sacrifice this group of people that is the least powerful in order to empower all of your electronics.
Yeah.
I mean, this is what you're doing. This is what you're agreeing to. This whole thing is crazy.
Yeah.
And it would probably restructure where and how things were acquired and who gets those things that are acquired from the ground.
Yeah, I mean, this is, okay, so this would be utopian AI.
Empower. To give someone the confidence, ability, or authority to act. It means helping people feel capable and supported so they can make decisions or take control of a situation. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Invigorate.
How fares our little backwater?
Good deal duller than London, I imagine.
You imagine right. Having just returned, I'm already yawning. Can you prescribe me a pick-me-up?
Your mining interest not invigorate you?
On the contrary.
But perhaps your interest in wheel leisure is not in actual mining.
Do I hear you're now physician at Killawarren?
Mr. Penbannon keeps in good health. I rarely see him.
Whereas I saw a good deal of his niece in London.
I trust she was well.
You've not heard from her?
Nor did I expect to.
I don't know, anywhere. England, France, Nepal.
Cool.
Yeah. Instead of reading and trying to replicate, let's go. Boots on the ground, taste the food, see Mount Everest, just escape.
I've always wanted to see Mount Everest.
Could cash in some airline miles, go for a week, just enough time to recharge.
Refresh.
Invigorate. Just forget about all our troubles, you know?
What troubles?
Invigorate. To give someone new energy, strength, or enthusiasm. It means making a person or situation feel refreshed, lively, or more motivated. Motivate.
Yeah, so if the guy won't sell, he won't sell.
I don't accept that. I don't accept that he won't sell. I think he just lacks the proper motivation.
Maybe just so we're on the same page here, you're saying we make him an offer he can't refuse?
Nothing so dramatic as that, no. Motivation. Attitude adjustment.
Oh, this one, she's a keeper.
What's wrong?
Well, you're just reading it. No one's gonna believe it. You know what I mean? You're not motivated.
Motivated?
Yeah.
Oh, no, stop, cut.
Did I do something wrong?
What was that, to dance at a good fairy? And what's with that spaghetti?
Look, I was motivating.
Motivating?
Well, I figured that safe, wash clothes so fast I had time to go to the beauty parlor.
What is your research about, and what is it finding, and how are you finding it and going about getting the results?
Yes, we spoke about the Dutch hunger winter and Black America, and our work is really motivated on how do we make tomorrow better than it is today? What does it mean to be a human in this space and in this place, have experiences that are both positive but also negative, how that affects the way the brain develops, the body develops, how that affects offspring, interactions with offspring, and how does that affect, therefore, communities, which affect the world.
Great. I didn't expect a happy dance, but a little gratitude would be nice.
Whatever your motivation, I appreciate what you did for my mom.
You're welcome. I know you don't trust me, and I understand why, but after what I've been through, my intentions were genuine. You've stared in the face, you know how it can change a person.
Motivate. To give someone a reason or desire to take action. It means encouraging a person to act, work harder, or pursue a goal with purpose. Revitalize.
Hi, Peggy. I know it's dinner time, but I wanted to catch you before you called in your order.
Gee, I'm glad you're here. I am working on a way to increase our income.
Oh, you looking for a job?
Oh, come on. It's for Al. He really needs a second job. I mean, he comes home from work and has nothing to do but sit back and watch that TV. That's no kind of life for a man. This should revitalize him. Hey, chicken plucker.
It is an unenviable choice. One man's life in exchange for a social contract that could revitalize a democracy.
Ideas are great, Professor, but they're nothing without good people around to fight for them.
Mr. Mallory, the idea of freedom is reborn with every generation. Only one generation ever created the U.S. Constitution.
This most recent incident confirms that the real threat is not the Black Hood, but the South Side and its corruptive forces. Developer and ex-con Hiram Lodge boasts that his Sodale project will revitalize the forsaken neighborhood. But this reporter speculates Hiram Lodge doesn't want to fix our problems, merely profit from them.
And right before our open house, thank you, Alice Cooper. We can't let anything derail this project.
We can't go faster than light, and we can't hibernate. Hence, for extended space travel, we'll most likely live through it for some form of synthetic integration. While I find it to be a plausible scenario, how can we marry biology to synthetic materials in a way that our cells are either replaced completely by inorganic ones or revitalized in a way that they don't decay?
We can freeze cells fairly easily. I think the record for somebody defrosting an embryo is 20 years.
I must tell the Archbishop. I'll send him a personal letter describing your efforts, your bold new fight to keep your little convent alive.
And you must also include this. This is something she would never tell you herself because this is the kind of woman she is. Sisters, she wants us to go out into the neighborhood and meet the people.
Oh, this woman.
Oh, bless her. Oh, there are so many problems out there that we could maybe help with. I mean, that's why many of us became nuns. Oh, it's really marvelous, Reverend Mother.
There's a lot we could do for him besides pray, sister.
You have my complete support in this matter. Anything you can do to revitalize this neighborhood would be a blessing.
Revitalize. To give new life, energy, or strength to something. It means making a person, place, or idea feel fresh, active, and renewed again. Setting goals can empower you to move easily to achieve what would be more difficult otherwise. Success in your goals will invigorate your whole life. When you motivate yourself, you can achieve so much. And revitalize everything about yourself. If you like this episode of Video Vocab, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, what is our favorite clip? After a week we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Walt Disney. If you can dream it, you can do it.